up, everybody? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you for entering into Naturally Jaja's world. Today we are going to be blow drying my hair using the Revlon One Step hair dryer and styler. It has large paddle design, detangling bristles, lightweight design, multi-heat settings, and professional swerve cord. I was interested in this blow dryer because it is a paddle brush, so it's easy to detangle, and also because on the typical dryers I always pop the comb, so I was like, I never stretch my hair with heat because I don't want to have to keep replacing the comb on the dryer. So if you're interested in how this dryer turns out, just keep on watching. So my hair is already sectioned off into 8 sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detangle first. It's already been detangled in the shower, but because I slept on it and it dried, I'm going to just make sure that all the pieces are separated. And I'm also going to use a heat protectant because I haven't blow dried my hair in like a year or two. And if you saw my introductory video, you know how I feel about heat damage, and I don't want burnt noodles for my hair. So I'm super excited, but I'm also super nervous at the same time because I hope I don't cause any heat damage. So I'm gonna apply just a small amount of the Chi or the Shy Sleek Infusion heat protectant. Very small amount because I don't want it to weigh my hair down. And I'm going to start off on, I think, low heat. So, So this is the first section. It's pretty good. Yeah, I got it pretty straight. I'm gonna go over it some more on high. And not a lot of hair popped out, and it's pretty straight. Probably could get the roots better, but I guess because it's a brush, it's harder to get. But it turned out, we'll see how it is at the end. I'm going to finish my whole head on camera, and we're going to see together how this all turns out. I don't know what I'm about to do with it. I know I'm hot and I need to cool off before I decide on a style. And of course I will record the style and show you guys how it turns out. But overall, I definitely think this is a good dryer. You can get, I got mine from Ulta, but you get it from Ulta, or I saw it also on Amazon for cheaper. A little salty about that. But if you like this video, make sure you comment down below. Also, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.